excitedly. Hold on to your hats, folks. We found the ultimate game changer for kids' stories. Meet KidsVibe, the revolutionary tool that's transforming bedtime and educational moments. Imagine AI-generated videos that are so realistic, kids can't look away. Each story is packed with well-researched educational content designed to enhance language development. But that's not all. KidsVibe is a dream come true for content creators. You get ready to share social media versions for Instagram, Facebook, and more in both 1920 x 1080 and 1080 x 1080 ratios. Need a physical storybook? No problem. With ready-to-print stories and covers, turning digital tales into bedtime books has never been easier. Plus, all videos and books are editable for free in Canva, no premium account needed. And the cherry on top? Private label rights licensing. Customize every aspect to fit your brand perfectly. Save time, reduce costs, and create unique content effortlessly. So if you're looking to make stunning kids videos, KidsVibe is your go-to app. Check out the link below, and thanks for watching.